Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. In today's presentation, our topic is Sophia Khan is not obliged by Aisha Malik, a famous writer of 21st century. So let's begin with the biography of the author. Aisha Malik is born and is living in London. She works as publicist in a publication industry and she pursued higher education in English literature from Kingston University, Southwest London, England. She works on different genre, fiction, romance, contemporary fiction, etc. Her writing based on the concept of how Muslims live in a Western territory. Her major works 2015 Sophia Khan is not obliged, 2017 The Other Half of Happiness, and 2019 This Green and Pleasant Land, 2022 Sophia Khan and the Baby Blues, and 2022 The Moment. Now here introduction of the novel. Sophia Khan is not obliged by Aisha Malik is a contemporary romantic comedy novel, rom-com novel. It reflects the humorous perspective on contemporary Muslim life in London. The female protagonist is Sophia Khan, and the major themes of the novel is complexities of love, faith, and identity. Journey of self-discovery is a major theme of the novel. So, main characters of the novel: Sophia Khan, the protagonist, and her sister Maria, her father, her mother, and her fiance Imran. And in the friend list, Suj, Fozia, Hana, Naeem, and Connell. These all are about her friends' characters. Now, let's begin with the summary of the novel. Sophia Khan is a Muslim woman working for a publicity company. She was supposed to marry Imran but called it off because she didn't want to live with his family. In particular, marrying with Imran means living with a hole in the wall situation, a hole connecting what would be her home to his parents. If we talk about the character of Sophia Khan, the protagonist by Aisha Malik, is a vibrant and relatable character who navigates the complexities of life with wit, humor, and determination. As Sophia navigates her personal and professional life, she learns valuable lessons about love, friendship, and the importance of embracing both her British and Pakistani heritage. Overall, Sophia Khan is not obliged is a charming and refreshing take on the romantic comedy genre. The character of Sophia is independent and spirited. As a British Pakistani Muslim woman working in the publishing industry, she often finds herself at odds with traditional expectations and cultural stereotypes. सोफिया का जो करेक्टर होता है ना वो ये पाकिस्तानी हेरिटेज को बहुत ज़्यादा शो करता है बिकॉज ये हिजाबियन होती है इन स्पाइट ऑफ लिविंग इन ब्रिटिश सोसाइटी। वो अभी भी अपने हिजाब को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा ना कॉन्शियस होती है और हिजाब नहीं छोड़ती और हिजाब की वजह से उसको बहुत ज़्यादा बातें भी सुनना पड़ती हैं क्योंकि वो पब्लिशिंग सोसाइटी में काम करती है। अब स्टोरी को कंटिन्यू करते हुए हम देखते हैं कि सोफिया का जो करेक्टर है ना, वन डे शी इज़ डिस्ट्रेस्ड आफ्टर हैविंग बीन कॉल्ड अ टेररिस्ट. She shares some of her experiences as a Muslim woman and her frustration with dating, and her boss decides she could write an interesting book on Muslim dating. Although she is never written a book before, Sophia has a blog and gets a sizable advance to write the book. अब सोफिया को उसका बॉस जो है वो सजेस्ट करता है कि शी कुड राइट अ बुक फॉर ऑन मुस्लिम डेटिंग, तो इसके लिए वो रिसर्च करना स्टार्ट करती है रिसर्चिंग द डेटिंग वर्ल्ड अबाउट रिसर्चिंग द डेटिंग वर्ल्ड. अब सोफिया ज्वाइन करती है एन ऑनलाइन डेटिंग साइट एंड यूजेस मीटअप्स विद हर फ्रेंड्स एज रिसर्च फॉर द बुक. शी हैज़ फ्रेंड्स विद हाना, फोजिया एंड सूज. The first person Sophia befriend is Naeem. They met off the dating site and then on it, and it's not clear to her if they are friends or dating. He is unrealizable and a bit self-absorbed, but he makes her laugh and she enjoys the time she spent with him. When he calls, it's easy for him to convince her to change her plans to meet him, and she falls in love with him, but the feelings are one-sided. ये नईम के साथ फ्रेंडशिप करती है लेकिन इसकी जो फीलिंग्स होती है ना वो वन साइडेड होती है. नईम की तरफ से ये इसके साथ फीलिंग्स वैसी नहीं होती जैसा ये फील करती है. तो ये जो सोफिया का करैक्टर है एन अनडोमेस्टिकेटेड वाइफ होती है. सोफिया इज़ अ नाइटमेयर इन द किचन because she does not cook. She cannot cook. This combined with her advanced age of 30 make her an unattractive match, a fact that clear during visit from the parents of her possible matches. She is supposed to demonstrate her skills in homemaking, but she really isn't domestically inclined. Sophia's parents almost divorced once and she didn't really seem to like each other. And her sister Maria gets married and move in with her husband's family. However, to their dismay, she leaves and returns to her parents' home even though she is pregnant. She doesn't like how her mother-in-law treats her expectations to take care of all the chores. Her husband has to agree to stand up for her before she will return home. Now, Sophia needs a room where she can write her book, a quiet place for writing. She need a quiet place for writing. And now, the character of Connell. Connell is her neighbor, Irish neighbor, and he provided her room for writing. Because he is a photographer and often out, Connell and Sophia develop a friendship and maybe even something more, but neither act on it. क्योंकि कॉनल का जो वो है ना रिलीजन वो सेम नहीं होता है, वो आयरिश नेबर होता है इसका और मुस्लिम नहीं होता, नॉट मुस्लिम। और जो सोफिया है वो प्रैक्टिकल मुस्लिम होती है, उसके लिए चीज़ वो रिलीजन को कभी भी शेयर नहीं करना चाहेगी, तो इसलिए वो ना उसको अपनी फीलिंग्स शेयर नहीं करती। पार्ट ऑफ सोफिया अट्रैक्शन टू कॉनल इज़ डैट ही इज़ गुड लुकिंग। नाउ लव एंड मैरिज। अब कॉर्नल के साथ ना सोफिया अपनी सारी फीलिंग्स शेयर करती है, उसको बताती है कि नईम के साथ वो मिलती है, लेकिन उसके उसके लिए उसके दिल में फीलिंग्स हैं बट इसने एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया होता। तो कॉर्नल इसको इंस्पायर करता है कि वो अपनी फीलिंग्स को उसके सामने बता दे। तो इंस्पायर्ड बाय कॉर्नल एडवाइस, सोफिया टेल्स नईम शी लव्स हिम एंड इट इज़ क्लियर ही डजंट फील द सेम। अब उसको पता चलता है कि नईम जो होता है वो उसके लिए सेम फीलिंग नहीं रखता, तो उसको पता चलता है कि रीसेंट ट्रिप जो होता है ना, उसकी जो एक्स होती है उसके साथ उसका हुकडअप हो जाता है। शी कट्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन विद हिम, अब उसको बुलाना ये ना छोड़ देती है। अब ड्यूरिंग रिसर्च सोफिया गोज टू सम सिंगल मैचिंग इवेंट्स बट स्टॉप आफ्टर सीइंग इमरान एट वन ऑफ देम। अब वहाँ पर इसको इमरान अगेन दिखता है व्हेन ही कॉल्स हर आउट ऑफ ब्लू एंड इमरान एंड सोफिया स्टार्ट स्पेंडिंग टाइम टुगेदर। When her father has a heart attack, he has kind and caring. Her father would like to see her settled and his illness create a sense of urgency for her to get married. अब इमरान जो होता है ना वो इसको ऑफ़र करता है कि वो इसके लिए ना अपने घर को छोड़ देगा टू मैरी सोफिया। तो ये ना मान जाती है, लेकिन क्या होता है इसको बिग रियलाइजेशन होती है कि ये जो है ना सही नहीं है। सारी लाइफ टाइम के लिए वो इसके लिए ना तोहमत बन जाएगी कि मैंने तुम्हारे लिए अपनी फैमिली को छोड़ा है, तो इसलिए ये उसकी ऑफ़र को ना डिक्लाइन कर देती है, उसके साथ दोबारा से इंगेजमेंट तोड़ देती है। Now Connell decides to be a photographer in Afghanistan and he says he is not sure that he will return. At a Free Palestine protest that she attends with him, Sophia realizes that he take action for his beliefs. Even though she is Muslim, she had never been to a protest before. On the other hand, he goes to protest even though he is not Muslim. When a man walking by called him a traitor, he punched the man and had to be pulled away by Sophia. अब क्या होता है, अब कोमल जो है ना वो इसको बताता है कि मेरा कुछ कंफर्म नहीं है कि मैं अफ़गानिस्तान से वापस आऊँगा कि नहीं आऊँगा। तो इधर सोफिया जो है ना वो अपनी बुक को जो है ना वो publish कर ले finished Sophia finished her book. Her bosses liked it, expect they wanted her to make it more exciting and sellable by adding sex. Sophia and Connell stay in rare contact. He writes to tell her he will be going from Afghanistan to Pakistan, but she doesn't tell him when her father passes away. However, he finds out from his brother. Connell shows up. He was supposed to be going to Pakistan based on his last email, so Sophia was shocked to see him. He looked different with a beard but was still Connell. Within minutes of his return, Sophia decided that she would visit India and Pakistan, staying with Connell group. Then at the end of the novel, Sophia Khan is not obliged and with Connell and Sophia on their flight to Pakistan. Connell tells Sophia that he is become Muslim. She has turned and agreed to explore a future with him. Connell jokes that they are going to go to mosque to teach her some discipline and He tells her that they will take cooking classes since she is a disaster in the kitchen. In beginning of the novel, we see that when Sophia decides to write, she remembers by saying, "We write to taste life twice." And in the end, when she go through her diary again, the very same line flickers in her head and she says, "That's it, the book. The book can be about all of this. I will write a whole book about Connell and we will be even." सो यहाँ पर स्टोरी का एंड हो जाता है और इसका जो सीक्वल नॉवल है द अदर हाफ ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, इंशाल्लाह सून आई विल मेक अनदर वीडियो ऑन इट ऑन दैट नॉवल. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.